All right, here we are in literal notation, and I'm just going to click on level 1. And level 1 is pretty straightforward. It's just asking you to take the words and write them in numbers. Okay, so we have 55,000. So that means 55, okay, and this 5 is going to be in the thousands place, all right? And so we're going to have a whole bunch more stuff. If that was it, if it was just said 55,000, you'd have 55, the 5 has to end up in the thousands place, so we're going to put 3 zeros, right? But since this continues, we're going to say 487. So we just write 400. So the 4 goes in the hundreds place, and then 87, like that. Okay? You can have a space here. I find it easier to do. So you're putting in your tens, your ones, tens, hundreds, and then your thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, and millions, 10 millions, 100 millions, and so on. But I like to group them into groups of 3. They're easier to read that way. But you don't have to do that. So if you put it like that, it'll totally accept the answer. Okay, 1,412, so the 1 goes in the thousands place. I like to put a space between the thousands and the hundreds. So 412, so 4 goes in the hundreds place, and 12. Okay, so that's 1,412. Now, by the way, if I didn't put the space, it would still be right. Okay, 5,181, so that's what level 1's like. It's very simple. So 5,181. Okay, and then 99. All right, so it's very straightforward.